We're going to do the one that is a steady pace. Now, I've done this one before, and I had a couple of emails back a long time ago saying that they try to do the steady pace, and it's actually called manual, and they kept changing on them. Like, it wouldn't stay on one setting for them. When you're on manual and you want to do it, you have to put it on a even number. So if you put it on 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, you get the drift of it. Say you're at 6 minutes and 55 seconds. When it hits 7 minutes, it's automatically going to switch up to the next number. Okay, it's just the way the machine is. I don't know why. But if you want to set it like on a 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, 14, it will hold that number for as long as you want to do the workout. Now, where all the other programs have a countdown, on the manual, it'll go and put a timer on there and let you go all day long if you want. So I do 300 calories and see if I can do it within the 15 minutes. I do 500 calories and see if I can do it within 20 minutes. I've done 1,000 calories in 47 minutes and some odd seconds. I'm not going to do that on here because that takes way too long. So today we're going to do steady pace. We're setting it for 15. We're going to stop at 15 minutes exactly. We're going to put a little twist in it though. I'm going to hold it at least 20 RPMs. Okay. And every minute I'm going to try to jack it up to 30 RPMs and hold that for a minute. So we're going to go back and forth for the whole 15 minutes. If we get tired, we'll just maintain at 20 for a little bit. So, as usual, say hello to little me over here. He will be down in the corner reminding you to subscribe. Thumbs up guy over here, he'll be down in the other corner reminding you to hit the thumbs up. The control panel will be up here. And anything else that we have to add today? Oh, leave in the comments. Why do you even work out? For me, I used to be an inline speed skater. Now that I'm out here in the oil fields, I don't have really a lot of time for that, so I keep CR250s, and I like to ride those occasionally if I have time to get into hair scrambles on them. And I love riding my Harley. That's why I stay in shape. So especially with the CRs, you know, you really got to be in shape to ride those. So let's get started. This is enough of me jabbing. And let me get the iPhone going here and find the workout mode. It's already at elliptical. We will find the program here, but while I'm doing that, let's get a word from our sponsors. Our sponsor today, it's push-up time. Did you know on this same channel that we offer push-ups and sit-ups? Just check the videos, go through the other listings and the ones to come. We do all-around workout here. So enjoy the Max Trainer. It's push-up time, it's sit-up time, and if we get more requests, we'll continue on with its pull-up time. Here we go. Got a little high right now. I've been on a resistance of 10. Like I said, steady pace, nothing special. You don't feel like sprinting, you don't feel like doing the intervals, the hard stair climbing. This is a good place to go. Changes up the program, but at the same time, you still want to make it challenging. Five more seconds, and we'll juice it up. Okay. try to stay here for the next minute. Little things like this just make the time go by quick. Five seconds. Bring it back down. All right, relax. Don't go below 20. Any young studs out there, I expect you to keep up with me. I'm 50 years old. You should be in good enough shape to do this. I'm eating a cough drop. Five seconds. We go back up. Here we go. You wonder where I come up with these drills. In the world of inline speed skating, constantly have somebody sprinting off on you. And you have to close that gap. Calories. 5 seconds, we bring it back down. All right, relax. So, you always have someone sprinting off on you in speed skating. You got to do whatever it takes, shut it down, and stay with that person. At some point, you will be able to relax. That's why I'm always telling you, imagine somebody in front of you, and you're sprinting after them. Stay with them. Because eventually they will back down to give you a breather. I'm sorry. 5 more seconds now. We go back up. Here we go. Let's hold a nice steady pace. Not quite on 30 RPMs. It's fine. "30 seconds. Seconds. 5. Okay, relax. Don't let it fall below 20. We got 6 minutes gone already. And then with the dirt bikes, well, that reminds me, 163 on the heart rate. Then with the dirt bikes, I love this machine for the cardio and heart rate, because an hour on the dirt bike, when I start it up, that's usually what I do, an hour straight. You have to have good cardio. Five seconds, we go back up. 1, here we go. Now, if you're on one of these machines working out with me, don't pay attention to your gauge. Let me do that for you. $30 seconds. Come on. Keep it right around 30. If you do better, then do better. $200 calories. 10 seconds. 5. Relax. Don't let it drop too low. Yeah, so with the dirt bike, heart rate's a big thing there, especially when you're racing somebody. If cardio is no good on the dirt bike, you will never last. And then my Harley, oh, you just gotta look good there. And then the traditional Harley gangster look is a big fat guy drinking a beer. But that's not me. That's not me. I love to ride. I love to be on 2 wheels. Oh, back up. My bad, I was talking. That's 9 minutes by already. Here we go, 30 seconds. Ten seconds. Bring it down. Don't relax too much. 20 RPMs is the key to breaking 300 calories in 15 minutes. Okay? Now, if you're doing what I'm doing, we should kill that 300 calories. I don't know how much by, but it should be pretty good. 10 seconds, we'll go back up. 5, 2, here we go. 30 RPMs. can you go and burn this many calories in this short of time? $300. Bring it down. Yeah. 3 minutes to go. And we already broke 300 calories. Good job. Now, you set your goal at 300, but you also set your goal at 15 minutes. Just because you hit the 300, finish your time out. Always finish your time. Ten seconds. We go back up. 5, 3, 1. Here we go. Come on, don't give up. I don't care if you're on this, elliptical, a bike, stay with it. Ten seconds. 1, relax, not too much. It's your last minute. Should feel like a cool down. We're at 70 calories. Man, we did good. 14.5 minutes so far. 30 seconds left. We'll be on with our day. I'll post my stats so you can see what I have. And if you have stats, leave them in the comments. We'll compare them. 5 seconds. 1, stop. Woo! Good job. All right. That gets you. All right.